Hey, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to the channel where we help you make smarter shopping decisions. Today, we have a battle of the titans in the world of robot vacuums. In the left corner, weighing in at $799, we have the eufy X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop, also known as eufy X10. And in the right corner, with a price tag of $999, it's the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S, aka DEEBOT T30. Who will clean up the competition? Who will suck and mop their way to victory? Let's dive into the nitty-gritty and find out. Alright, let's start with the heavy lifting, suction power. The eufy X10 brings a solid 8,000 pascals suction to the table. That's like having a tiny tornado in your living room, folks. It's great for picking up pet hair, dust, and your will to clean manually. Reviewers love how efficient it is, especially for homes with pets. But wait, the DEEBOT T30 is here to one-up with a jaw-dropping 11,000 pascals suction power. That's enough to suck the soul out of your carpet. Imagine that, 11,000 pascals. This thing can probably vacuum up your existential dread. Reviewers are impressed by its powerful suction and efficiency on hard floors. Let's move on to the all-in-one stations. The eufy X10 station is like a personal butler for your vacuum. It washes the mop pads with clean water, dries them with 45 degrees Celsius heated air, and empties the dustbin into a 2.5 L dust bag. It's like a spa day for your vacuum. Reviewers appreciate the hands-free experience and the efficiency of the self-cleaning features. Now, the DEEBOT T30 station is not playing around either. It uses 158 hot water mop washing, self-emptying, auto water refilling, and hot air drying. This thing is like a 5-star hotel for your vacuum. It's so posh, it might start charging you a resort fee. Users love the luxury and sophistication it brings to their cleaning routine. Next up, navigation and obstacle avoidance. The eufy X10 features AI, smart cleaning, which can identify over 100 objects. It's like having a tiny robot butler with a PhD in avoiding Legos, wires, and your dog's favorite chew toy. Reviewers note its impressive ability to handle obstacles and navigate around the house. But hold on, the DEEBOT T30 comes with True Detect 3D 3.0 and True Mapping 2.0. It's like having a Terminator robot that's also a cartographer. It avoids obstacles with precision and maps your home faster than you can say, "Hasta la vista, baby." Users are impressed by its advanced technology and efficient mapping. Now, let's talk mopping. The eufy X10 has Mop Master 2.0 with 180 rotations per minute and 1 kilogram of downward pressure. It's like having 2 tiny Zambonis cleaning your floor. Plus, it automatically lifts the mops when it detects carpet. No soggy rugs here. Reviewers are impressed by its thorough cleaning capabilities and attention to detail. Meanwhile, the DEEBOT T30 features True Edge Adaptive Edge Mopping and Intelligent Deep Mopping. It cleans edges with 1 mm accuracy and re-washes and remops heavily soiled areas. It's like having a tiny R2D2 that's obsessed with cleanliness. Users appreciate its precision and deep cleaning abilities. Last but not least, the price. The eufy X10 is priced at $799, making it a more budget-friendly option. It's like getting a luxury sedan for the price of a compact car. Reviewers find it to be an excellent investment for its price point. On the other hand, the DEEBOT T30 is $999. It's pricier, but you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. It's like buying a sports car with all the bells and whistles. Users acknowledge the higher price, but feel it's justified by its premium features. Both the eufy X10 Pro Omni and the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S have received positive reviews for their impressive cleaning capabilities and advanced features. The eufy X10 is praised for its efficiency, ease of use, and affordability, making it a great choice for pet owners and those looking for a hassle-free cleaning experience. The DEEBOT T30S, on the other hand, is lauded for its powerful suction, luxurious self-cleaning station, and advanced navigation technology, making it a top pick for those willing to invest in a premium product. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for raw power and luxury, go for the DEEBOT T30. But if you want a solid performer without breaking the bank, the eufy X10. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more epic product showdowns. Drop a comment below on which robot vacuum you think should win the title of Clean King. Until next time, keep buying smart. Product links are in the description.